Hello, my beautiful, gorgeous friends. Welcome to my channel. I'm JoDee. I forgot to record an introduction because I was distracted by something I saw in the window. And here it is, a hand crocheted blanket. When I saw it through the window, I was like, ooh, maybe I need that. And then I got distracted and I started to look at a whole bunch of other things in the store. They actually redecorated and moved things around in the store. So it was not in a familiar pattern that I usually go. And it was pretty interesting. It was actually kind of exciting to see how they moved stuff around. They wanted to make the home goods section a little bit bigger. So they decided to move all of the racks and put them against the windows. And unfortunately, though, they didn't have much items on the shelves just yet. I think they are behind on staff levels because they do have a lot of stuff behind the doors. You can see kind of inside to the storage area. They have a lot of items. They just don't have a lot of people to get all the items out. But as you can see, I'm walking around just having a good time. Really doesn't matter to me. I wasn't looking for anything specific today. Of course, they always have a holiday section. But yeah, I really wasn't looking for anything specific. So I just wanted to go and have a good time and look around. And I saw this one belt here and I thought that was kind of cute. But you know, I buy belts and I hardly ever wear them. So I decided to go against what my heart was telling me and stick with my gut and not buy the belt. I didn't even see these sparkly shoes. You see those black shoes right there? Oh my gosh, I didn't even see them when I was walking around. I wish I would have. I wonder what size they were. I have to admit, it was pretty slim pickings on this day when I went there. I think this is okay, but it needs a lot of anti-pilling. And frankly, I don't love the colors together. I'm probably going to regret leaving this because I'm going to think about it, but I don't really like it. And for $8, I don't need to spend the money. So she's going to stay here. I was so excited to buy this. I know it needs to be cleaned and I can do that, but the clasp is broken. Oh well. And then I headed over to the Goodwill in Guilderland, New York. This store is always packed, but the prices are a little bit higher than normal. But as you can see, they do have some nice items and they get good donations. It's because of the location, I'm sure. They have a really good location, so therefore they get higher end donations. I'm always looking for a good fanny pack. This purse here I loved, but I left it behind. Then you gotta check the new carts because that's where all the good stuff is. These things are collectible, but I don't know anything about them, so I'm not even going to deal with them. Now, remember my advice about shopping off season. You can see all of this Halloween and fall decor and plate items and all kinds of cool stuff for your house that has to do with fall. And right now, at the recording of this video, it's April. So it's always good to be open-minded about off-season purchases because when you're at the thrift, that's where you're going to find your best items. This is a very cute, and it's huge, and it's $8. And I could take this apart and make this into a shirt or a jacket. Wow, I didn't expect to find this here. Okay. For $30, this is actually not that bad. It's very pretty, but unstable. I'm always looking for a good lamp, and these pink lamps were so beautiful, but they are overpriced. So I decided to leave them behind. And then I saw this globe. My daughter loves this decor, so I wanted to pick that up. This store is always really good for plates. There's a lot of plates here, and there is quite a bit of home decor, which I enjoy looking at. The clothes are packed in this store, so you have to really be in a good mindset to go through every single one of these items to find that gem. This day, I wasn't so excited about shopping the clothes, but I decided to look. This sweater is really pretty. So I don't wear mini sweaters. I'm always attracted to them, but I don't really wear them. This is cute. Somebody must have donated their whole floral wardrobe because there were so many floral pieces in this rack alone. Why is it that some LuLaRoes are actually cute? I would have loved these Uggs if they were in my size. And I'm kind of regretting leaving these boots behind. I really want to get this, but I just don't know if all of the fabrics are in there. There's only 2. There might be enough. And it doesn't tell you how many are supposed to be in the box. I may have struck out at the Salvation Army, but I didn't strike out at Goodwill today, which was a good thing. I honestly did not expect one of the things that I found. So that was a surprise, but I'll just let you know that I spent $19.17 and I got this just plain old navy sweatshirt. It's like a double X, so it's nice and big. I love to wear nice big sweatshirts. I like to dress bummy. So yeah, I got this sweatshirt for $5.99. And then my daughter has this aesthetic in her room. So she really loves, I don't know, academia. And this was $3.99. So I thought I'd get this cute little globe for her. She'll like that. And then my big surprise that I got today, which I was so shocked about, is this blanket. Honestly, I did not expect to be able to find a blanket at Goodwill. They don't tend to have a lot of blankets and stuff. They have just this one little rack. And I walked in, I saw this lady looking at it. I was like, oh my God, please don't take it. You know how when you look at somebody and they have something in their cart, you really want it and you hope they put it back? Well, she was touching this and looking at it. As soon as she walked away, she was like standing right next to it. I went and grabbed it. So this can actually be worked into something else as well. So I'm excited. Just like this, I might kind of pull out a sweater or something. I don't know. I got to figure it out. It's a lot of fun to work with secondhand textiles. So, all right. That was fun. It's time to go. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Love you very much and appreciate that you are with me. Bye.